important thing that you have to understand in this lesson is that what does probability mean? Probability means the chances of any event happening. समझ में है? Any event happening. So the probability of the color of this board being green is what? 100% chance है ना? Green है ना पूरा? So probability is 1. What is the probability? 1. Fractional value क्या होगा उसका? 1 होगा. 1 upon 1, 1. What about the probability of if I toss a coin? I have a coin. Coin में क्या होते हैं दो cases? Heads and tails. What is the probability of getting heads? 1. कितना चांस है? 50% चांस है ना? Probability का maximum value कितना हो सकता है? 1. Probability percentage का maximum value होता है 100%. Probability का maximum value is always 1. So when I am tossing a coin or I am flipping a coin, 50 coin का dice coin भी interchange होता है. So when I am tossing a coin, what are the two possibilities? Are there? How many possibilities are there? How many possibilities are there? So tossing a coin is a random experiment that I am performing. I am tossing a coin, I am giving you a slap. These are all random experiments. Okay? When I am flipping a, when I am tossing a dice पता है? 1 से 6 numbers होता है जिसका. I am picking up a card, or I am, you have those roulettes where numbers are given like this. ऐसे करके numbers लिखे रहते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I hit it with an arrow. ये हो गया random event. Where I am performing a random experiment. Where I am performing a certain. No need to write anything. I am performing an experiment. What is the experiment that I have performed? I have flipped a coin. What are the possibilities that? What are the two possibilities in flipping a coin? How many possibilities are there? First of all, जल्दी आ.
मुझे कॉल किया था ना.
जल्दी आ.
मैम मुझे इसने कॉल किया, बोला 5:15 ना.
मैंने कॉल करके तूने कॉल किया, तूने बोला. मैंने नहीं बोला, सबने बोल के बोला.
You given one on a head today after the class. I will give you the scale.
मैंने नहीं बोला.
तीन डाल एकदम क्लास में.
अरे फोन मेरा था, बोला किसी और ने. मेरा माउथ शट ही था जब ये सब हुआ.
सुनो, अभी जल्दी से क्विकली रिकैप. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, just started. Whenever we talk about possibility of something happening 100%, that means the probability is 1. वो होगा ही होगा. Let's say the probability of my hair being black is what? 1. 100% probable. Not actually 100% probable. I have a lot of white hair. But ठीक है. So something which is a certain, which will happen in certainty. It is always going to be the probability. Maximum probability is how much? Always 1. 1 अगर मैंने बोला the probability of something happening is 1. That means in all possibilities that is the only thing that will happen. If I have 10 red balls and I put it in a bag, 10 red balls and I put it in a bag, and if, without looking at it I take out a ball. What is the probability of it being red? 1. Probability of it being red is 1. What is the probability of it being blue? 0. So if there is no possibility of an event to happen, the probability of it happening is 0. If there is all the probability, in all possibilities, only that event will happen, then the probability of that event is 1. And always all other probabilities lie between 0 and 1. Can I say this? The chances of the event not happening at all and the chances of the event happening in all possibilities. So 0 to 1 के बीच में ही probabilities के values आएंगे मेरे पास. So let's take a random experiment. Random experiment is what? I am flipping a coin. So heads or tails में से कोई एक आएगा. I am rolling a dice. So 1 to number 6 में से कोई एक आएगा. I pick a card. चारों houses में से कोई एक house का card आएगा मेरे पास. Spades आएगा या club आएगा या diamond आएगा या hearts आएगा. इसमें से इसके अलावा और कुछ भी आएगा. जोकर निकाल दो. आएगा और कुछ नहीं आएगा. So these are called as random experiments which I am performing. So let's say my random experiment is flipping a coin. Okay, when I am flipping this coin, what are the two chances? What are the total number of outcomes. ऐसे नहीं बोलो. Heads or tails, these are the total number of outcomes. This is called as a sample space. What is it called? Okay. So if I want a heads, I want heads. मुझे कुछ भी करके heads चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे बैटिंग करना है. मुझे मैंने heads बोल दिया, मुझे heads मिलेगा तो I will be able to choose what I want. So can I say favorable outcome? This is my favorable outcome. So what is the total number of favorable outcome? One. Out of two, head. So we will just write head. Favorable outcome.
The number of.
हाँ. आती हूँ. If I want heads, let's count. What are the total number of outcomes? 2. What is the favorable outcome for me? 1. What are the only two possibilities in this flipping of a coin? Heads or tails? Head and tails. Head and tails आपके नहीं आता है. Heads or tails. So if I want heads, let's say heads. If I want heads, I call it an event. What do I call? Event. What is the event that I want? Heads. So I say probability of my event happening. How do I read it? Probability of the event happening is equal to total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So what is the total number of favorable outcome? 1. Heads. What is the total number of outcomes? 2. So what is the probability of the event where heads come? What is the probability for that? 1 upon 2. What is the probability that I do not get a heads? When I say the probability of an event not happening, what am I saying? Probability of an event not happening. मतलब E बार, E के ऊपर बार डाल दिया. ये क्या है? अगर ये है number of events possible, मुझे ये है मेरे favorable. These are the total number of outcomes. This is my favorable outcome. So what is my? This is my PE or not? Probability of this event happening will lie here, and this part, which is outside the PE, but inside the total number of probability will be my PE dash. समझ रहे हो? ये होगा PE dash. This is the probability of this event not happening. Understood? So can I say PE dash is going to be total number of unfavorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes? But can I make it easier for you? What is the maximum probability of any event happening? 1. How many possibilities are there in this event? 2. So can I say that the probability of getting heads is same as the probability of not getting tails? The probability of getting heads is same as the probability of not getting tails. So the probability of not getting heads, what is PE dash? It is the probability of the event not happening. Can I say in this case will be 1 minus probability of that event happening? यही हो गया ना इसका मतलब. ये अगर पूरा चीज 1 है, ये अगर PE है और ये अगर PE dash है, can I say PE from looking at this, PE plus PE bar is equal to 1. Probability of an event happening plus probability of that event not happening is always equal to 1 or not? So can I say probability of that event happening is equal to 1 minus probability of the event not happening? Can I also say the probability of event not happening is equal to 1 minus probability of the event happening? Any doubt in understanding this? Clear? Crystal clear? Another thing that we have to notice is, equally likely events. The chances of getting heads, the probability of getting heads is how much? 1 upon 2. What is the probability of getting tails?
1 minus 1 upon 2.
That is 1 upon 2 only, na? Can I say the probability of getting heads or tails are both same? 1 upon 2. Can I say the probability of getting heads and tails are equally likely? Can I say it's equally likely to get heads भी दोनों 50-50% चांस है कि नहीं? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि heads का तरफ is heavier or something like that. No. Probability of getting heads and tails are equally likely. Now tell me, if I roll a dice, what is the probability of getting the number 1 to 6? Each number, the probability of getting, let's say, the probability of getting number 1 is how much? Favorable number of outcomes, that is 1, and total number of outcomes, that is 6, 1 upon 6. What is the probability of getting the number 2? How 2 upon 6?
1 upon 2.
What are the chances of getting the number 2? What are the chances of getting the number 3?
1 upon 6.
What are the chances of getting an even number?
3 upon 6.
How?
Half कर लो.
कितने even numbers are 1 to 6?
3.
Upon 6, you are right.
1
1 upon 2.
हाँ, confused है तो.
नहीं, लेकिन कैसे किया? I want to know. तुम तो randomly कुछ भी बोल सलफाट बोलते रहते हो. तो आपका तो ऊपर मुझे बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं है. मुंह से गलती से निकल गया होगा. सही बात.
नहीं.
समझ में आया? So what is the probability of getting each of the number 1 upon 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 जो भी नंबर मुझे चाहिए हर चीज का probability 1 upon 6 है कि नहीं? So can I say they are equally likely events? Are all events equally likely? Give me an example. Picking a car का probability से क्या रिश्ता है बेटा? When you are talking about random experiment, this is a closed space where there are fixed number of things. You can say picking a ball. For example, if I have 7 red balls in a bag, in a goni, I take 5 red balls, 5 black balls, and 10 white balls. Can I say the probability of getting white balls is going to be more? Because there are 10 of them? Almost double होगा कि नहीं उसका probability? होगा? टेस्ट कर लेते हैं, चलो. चेक कर लेते हैं. ये बना पा. Let's take this example where I have a bag. In this bag, I have 5 red balls, 3 black balls, and 10 white balls. Okay? So we will one by one test the probability of getting red, black, and white. How will we test it? Probability of an event where I get red balls is going to be number of favorable outcomes. मतलब कितना 5 upon total number of outcomes मतलब 18.
अच्छा हाँ.
18 हो गया. What is the? This is for white. This is for red. Probability of the event where I get blue or black, whatever it is, balls. What will be the probability?
3 upon 18.
What is the probability of
10 upon 18.
getting a white ball?
10 upon 18.
Right? Can I say all these 3 probabilities are different? Chances of getting the red ball is different, chances of getting the blue ball is different, and white ball is different. Now let's add all of them. How much should I get?
18 upon 18.
That is? Can I say these are the only possible probabilities? ऐसा तो नहीं कि मैंने निकाला तो अंदर से बतख निकला. Ball ही निकलेगा ना? So what is the thing? Probability is always 1. So when I add this, I get 18 upon 18. That is equal to 1. So can I say these are not equally likely events? So there are many unequal events, or they are not equally likely. Did you understand all the concepts of probability here? इतना ही है इस चैप्टर में. हमेशा दिमाग में एक बात रखो. अच्छा, इसी क्वेश्चन में अथर्वा, tell me what is the probability of not getting a red ball? How did you come to this? Directly नहीं लिख सकते हो. क्या लिखोगे? Probability of not getting a red ball is equal to 1 minus probability of getting a red ball. है कि नहीं? That is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 18. That is equal to 18 minus 5 upon 18, which is 13 upon 18. Did you all understand this? ये समझ में आया इधर तक? Did you understand the concept of probability? What are the things you have to remember? Imagine. Imagine these circumstances. If they ask you a question like, what is the probability in a dice? There are 1 to 6 numbers in a die. When I roll it, what is the probability of getting an odd number? Count karo, दिमाग मत लगाओ. 1, 2, 3. What are my favorable outcomes? 3. What divided by total number of outcomes? 6. That is 1 upon 2. So what is the probability of getting an odd number? Through two methods of doing it. Count the odd numbers. Divided by total number of outcomes, you will get 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. Or, second method of doing it is, I know that the numbers are either even or odd. If I know that the total set consists of only even or odd numbers, then I can simply write probability of getting an even number is 1 minus probability of not getting an even number, which is an odd number, which is same as 1 minus half, which is half. There are two methods, both methods are equally correct. Okay, shall we move on to our numericals quickly? चलो, यही है, समझने का इतना ही. अभी न्यूमेरिकल्स में आप लोग हर टाइप का न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे. We will do dice, we will do सैंपल स्पेस. समझ में आ गया सबको? सैंपल स्पेस इज दिस HNT सैंपल स्पेस. और थोड़ा एक और मैं आप लोगों को सैंपल स्पेस का एग्जांपल दे देती हूँ. So it will be easier for you to understand the sample space. And yes, before we begin, I will also show you a deck of cards. What are the components of a deck of cards? Okay. Before that, what did I say? Sample space. Let's say instead of 1 dice, I am rolling 2 dice. So can I say there are 2 dice with 6 numbers present here? There are 2 dice I have, and both the dice have 6 numbers each. Right? Okay, so what is my sample space here? Sample space calculate number of contents or total number of events. So ये है total number of outcomes is basically my sample space. ये H and T 2 ना. अगर एक डाइस होता तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 मतलब 6 outcomes थे ना. That was my sample space. Now we have 2 dice. What are the possibilities? Number first डाई पे 1 नंबर आए, सेकंड डाई पे भी 1 नंबर आए. नेक्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटीज, फर्स्ट पे 1 ही आए, सेकंड पे 2 आए. थर्ड इज नेक्स्ट पे 1 आए, 3 आए, 1 आए, 4 आए, 1, 5, 1, 6. नेक्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी इज व्हाट? इस पे 2 आए, इस पे 1 आए, इस पे 2 ही आता रहे, इस पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4 आए, इस पे 3. This is 2, this is 4, this is 2, this is 5, this is 2, this is 6. Next this number becomes 3. This is 3, this is 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6 and so on. 4 का पूरा 4, 6 तक, and this is 5 का पूरा 5, 1 से लेके 5, 6 तक. And this is 6, 1 से लेके 6, 6 तक. So can I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 into 6, that is equal to 36 total number of outcomes in this rolling of 2 dice. There is another way to calculate it. ये सब ना लिख के we can say how many dice are rolled. What does each die? How many outcomes per die? Each die has 6 outcomes. How many dice are rolled? 2. 6 square, that is equal to 36. If I have 2 coins, okay, if I have 2 coins, I have 2 coins. How many coins do I have? 2. How many are the total number of outcome per coin? 2. Total number of outcome per coin is 2. How many coins do I have? 2. So I will get 4. Again for coin, if I have 3 coins, how many coins do I have? 3. But what are the total number of outcomes per coin? Total number of outcomes per coin into the number of coins. That is 2 cube. That is, I will totally have 8 outcomes. If I have 3 dice, what is the outcome per die? Dice. Outcome per dice is 6. I have 3 dice. So 6 cube हो जाएगा कि नहीं? So that is how much? So the total number of outcomes will be 2 by 6. Now let's see my deck of cards. Cards. There are total 52 cards in a deck. Out of which there are, addition to which there are 2 jokers, but we don't consider jokers. Jokers को निकालो. Jokers के साथ 54 cards होते हैं. Jokers हमें नहीं चाहिए. 52 cards total होते हैं. Out of these 52 cards, there are 4 houses. One is called spades. Another one is called clubs, diamond, hearts. These 2 are red. Understood? This is black, clubs is black, spades is also black. Okay? Spades look like this. Pan, पत्ते जैसा दिखता है. It's black in color. Spades. Clubs look like clover. 3-leaf clover. This is black in color. Diamond looks like a kite.
गुलाब भी होता है ना?
कभी भी नहीं होता. Diamond is always red. And hearts is always red. So can I say, if 52 cards are split equally into 4 sections, each section will have 13 cards each? 13 into 4 is 52 or not? So can I say how many black cards do I have there? 26. How many red cards do I have? How many spades do I have?
13.
How many hearts do I have?
13.
Now, in each of these spades, clubs, diamonds and heart, there are 3 face cards. Face मतलब क्या? चेहरा दिखेगा. किसका चेहरा दिखेगा? King, जोकर में, Queen and इक्का नहीं, J. That is J is called as what? Not joker. King, Queen and नीचे का होता है नंबर 10 के ऊपर. मुझे बताती हूँ. King, Queen and Jack. Correct. King, Queen and Jack. You're right. King, Queen and Jack. 3 face cards हो गए. Number cards क्या होंगे? 1 to 10. So can I say 1 to 10 plus 3 is 30? So there are 3 face cards and rest we have 1 to 10 number cards. The number 1 card is also called as ace. What is it called? Ace. Ikka. So ace, ikka, king, queen, jack. Total मिला के सब कितने हो गए? 13. हर हाउस में ऐसे ही king, queen, jack और 10 नंबर होंगे. So can you tell me how many red kings do we have?
मैम ये एस इक्का नहीं समझा कुछ भी.
Ace is ikka. What? Number 1 is also called ace.
इक्का एस और किंग क्वीन और जैक कहाँ गए थे?
है ना, एक